This exceptional updated home is ideally located in West Lynn's sought-after Cascade Summit neighborhood. It's also kitty corner from the neighborhood pool, tennis court, and rec space, a wonderful place to meet your neighbors. This home is absolutely move-in ready with a large yard, arbored deck and patio, ready for entertaining. Head inside and discover an elegant interior infused with natural light. You'll find new flooring throughout, wainscoting and crown molding. The delightful kitchen features a cooktop island, stainless appliances, and peaceful views. It opens to the large family room with an inviting fireplace and built-ins. French doors open to the main level office. Unwind in your spacious owner's suite, complete with a walk-in closet and a bath just updated with quartz counters and a brand new soaking tub. The generous bonus room is ready for any number of uses and has a convenient second staircase. Completing the upstairs, you'll find 3 more large bedrooms and another updated full bath. You'll find multiple spaces for gatherings with friends and family, including a fire pit in your fenced backyard. Other features include a 3-car garage with extra storage and a newer roof. It's also just a 5-minute walk to Starbucks, Safeway, Spectator Pizza, shopping, so many conveniences, just a few blocks away. A gorgeous home in a fantastic neighborhood. It's all here ready for you to call home. For more information or your own personal tour, please contact Kaylee Naoni with Premier Property Group.